I'm on a no heat call on this particular unit, and it's actually just running. No pressure. There's your pressure switch here, and draft and dues, bonus, limit, rollout limits, sensor. Okay, I'm gonna check the pressure switch tube going into the draft assembly. A lot of the times, the pressure switch port in the draft assembly gets rust in it, preventing your pressure switch from closing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at it. Right here. Let's see. I'm just gonna blow in it. It's stopped up, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the pressure switch tube off. I'm gonna take the tube off, and I'm gonna clean it. Cut the unit off, as I'm just gonna take just a small Allen wrench, and I'm gonna run up in that little port right here and clean it out. Then I'll try it again. Make sure your draft assembly is not running, because you can tear up your squirrel cage. That's it. Let's see. Line up in there like that. That's it. That's a quick fix. I bet it's gonna come on. So let's go ahead and put the pressure switch tube back on. Make sure it fits nice and snug. Okay. Back on the pressure switch port. Let's try it. That's an easy fix. That's one of the quickest things I check when the system is just sitting there trying to run and don't do anything. I check that pressure switch tube. There go the igniter. There goes the burner. Simple as that. Hope that helped. Take care.